All right, happy Friday, everyone. I'm going to run through the agenda very quickly here. We're going to start into coordinate geometry today. So this was not part of the packet you picked up at the beginning, so you will need to download what Mrs. Bass in the video is going to refer to as the Chapter 3 green foldable. Obviously, yours is not going to be green. I just called it the same thing so that you wouldn't get confused. And then you're going to complete example 1, 2, and 3 listening to her videos. So watch the videos and complete the notes. And those are actually our objectives for today. We want to be able to write the equation for a perpendicular bisector. We want to be able to figure out the distance from a point to a line. And then we want to be able to figure out the distance between two parallel lines. My biggest thing to you is that she is going to be very clear on the steps for these procedures. These steps might be something that you want to take and include on your note cards so that you have these procedures memorized. Okay. What we're going to do after that then is that you're going to go to page 8 of your chapter 3 notes. You should have those, but if you don't have them, I've included them right here. There are 3 problems, very similar to the 3 problems that you've watched in the video up here. It could be your call. You can either try those on your own and then watch the videos that I have created here for each problem that goes through step by step, or if you want to work along with me, you can. And then, so you get some independent practice, you're going to go to page 11 of your chapter 3 notes. If you don't have them, there's the PDF right there. And you're going to try 3 problems again, one of each of these 3 problems that are in the video. And the answer key is right here. So these are video answers explaining step by step. This is just a written out answer key here. Okay. If you have any questions, please Canvas message me. Depending on the amount of questions or Canvas messages that we get, I'll look at that and determine, do we need a Zoom meeting on Monday to kind of go through this? Okay. So if you have a Canvas message, if you have a question, you Canvas message me. I might just reply back to you, bring that to the Zoom meeting on Monday. If I'm not getting a lot of questions, because this is pretty clear because you've gone through and memorized your steps, then we won't have a group Zoom on Monday. Okay? Have a good weekend. Make sure that you check back in on Monday for Monday's module.